I'm denoting the present value of the revenue stream by P sub R. To calculate the present value of the revenue stream, we have to discount each of the revenues back, taking into account the appropriate amount of time and hence the appropriate discount. The revenue which we receive at the beginning of the first year we'll call R0. R0 gets discounted by 1 plus R to the 0. The revenue that we receive at the end of the first year we call R1, which gets discounted by 1 plus R to the first. The revenue that we receive at the end of year 2 is R2, which we discount by 1 plus R squared. Same for year 3, year 4, and year 5. Our interest rate is 4%, so R is going to be 0.04 in all cases. Our revenue in year 0 is 0. Our revenue in year 1 is $100,000, so we discount that by 1.04 to the first. Our revenue in year 2 is also $100,000, so we discount that by 1.04 squared. Same thing for year 3 and year 4. Our revenue in year 5 is $500,000, so we discount that $500,000 by 1.04 to the fifth. Calculating the denominators, 1.04 to the 0 is just 1. 1.04 to the first is 1.04. 1.04 squared is 1.0816. The same process for the cubed power, the fourth power, and the fifth power. Doing the division, we know what happens in year 0. $100,000 in 1 year is worth less than $100,000. At 4%, we see that it's worth precisely $96,153.85. $100,000 at the end of year 2 is worth even less, right, which is about $92,000. $100,000 at the end of year 3 is worth even less, about $89,000. $100,000 at the end of year 4 at 4% is only worth about $85,000 today, and $500,000 5 years in the future at 4% is worth about $410,000 today. Adding them all up, we get a present value of the revenue stream of $773,953.08.